Hi, bonjour everyone! In this video we will do a vintage brush out. Let's remove first the setting net. I know this setting pattern, but I've tried something new this time. I've used bigger rollers to have wider curls in the front. Usually you can make 4 rollers, but I made 3 because they are wider. And then at the back I wanted to sleep more comfortably. So I've done less and I slept like a baby. I would advise this one, but first we need to see the results. So let's remove them. I like to remove the ones at the back first. I used wider rollers everywhere this time, so I hope right now on the first day it's gonna be how I want them. And for the front section, I didn't use the plastic thingy inside, I just used a bobby pin to secure them, but you don't have to go through the foam, so that it's much more comfortable to slip on. Usually I'm having my parting here, but I wanted to try kind of a Hedy Lamarr look, so we'll see how it goes. I'm not sure it will suit me, so let me remove what I have left. And last one. Here we are. Alright, so once everything is removed, it's how it looks like. Don't know how it looks like from the back. So now time to loosen them up a bit by hand, and then we'll use the brush. I'm really not used to a center part, so let's see how it goes. And now, really importantly, is to brush out the curls to have an end of 40s look here. I think it's what I'm aiming for today. The brush choice is really important. Let me show you what I was using before. I was using like a regular brush. It was made of bamboo. It's a really good quality one, but I was not having the best result of my brush out. I actually ordered online a Denman brush. So this is this one. This is M81. If I'm not wrong. Anyway, I will put the link down below for you to find it if you are looking for it as well. So you have boar horses and nylon, I think it's how you call it. It helps not to have too much static on your hair. It gives a fluffy brush out and really smooth hair. It's amazing. My brush out is like 10 times better since I'm using actually this brush. So let's start the brush out. First I like to go at the front, just like this. I'll go at the back and show you. I do one everywhere. Okay, and the important thing is to also go under to smooth all the hair. And not to have, like, to avoid as much electricity, you know, static in your hair. It's better to actually put your hand right where you brushed it right after. That's my brush out done actually. I think this is my fastest brush out ever. This setting pattern I'm not surprised because I know it works, but the fact that it's a middle parting, it's quite new to me. Yeah, I'm quite digging it. I feel actually really glamorous and kind of Hedy Lamarr-ish today. Well, not as beautiful as her because she was amazing, but anyway. The hair looks pretty similar and I'm really happy with it. But now, hairspray time. So I'm gonna remove my glasses because I know I'm gonna put it everywhere. And important, you have to do it under as well, so that the curls don't relax too much. And I'm always afraid of putting some in my face. Here, yeah. So let me put my glasses back on. Yes. So here it is. I will do a final spin for you to see the hair. So for a change, it's gonna be a really quick video today. If you like to see me putting on the curlers, I would be really happy to show you as well, so just let me know down in the comments. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, this hairstyle. This one is seriously one of the easiest and fastest wet sets you can actually make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. And don't forget to like this video just down below, as well as subscribing to my channel for more upcoming content coming to you really soon. And I will see you in the next one. Meanwhile, take care, au revoir, bye!